Hello YouTube, it is Viral, and this video is about the high usage of the RAM memory. So, on your computer, every time you open application, the RAM or random access memory size is required. As bigger that you have the memory size, as much applications you can open at the same time. So basically, when you run an application, it will need specific memory size in order to run it. But it happens quite often that you have a memory leak, and this will cause the RAM memory to be full without a reason. In my case, it is not this case. My memory is not full without a reason, but I will show you a way how you can fix this, the possible way to fix it if you face this problem. So basically, you will need to go to Start, and over here type regedit. Okay, we have the registry editor, so we need to go to the registry, right click on it and run as administrator. It's important to run as administrator on this part. Hit yes, perfect. And now you'll need to go to the third one, which is the local machine. Right click, left click on this little arrow, and then click on the system. Click on the arrow again, it will extend. You'll need to hit the second one, which is the control set 001, and then hit the last one, which is services. Scroll down and you need to find the NDU. Let me scroll to the N letter. Okay, here we go. Here it is NDU, and you will have the server register file over here. What we need, it is a start one. So click on it, right click and hit modify. So the value data should be 2 by default, and that's okay, but you will need to change it to 4. So that's it. This will help you with RAM high usages. Basically, this is the first method. I hope this works for you. After you do this, you will need to restart your computer in order to see the effects.